This tutorial will be going over how to monitor a Linux server using Server Monitor. Navigate to servermonitor.org and either log in with an existing account or register an entirely new account. Now, navigate to the Servers tab on the left-hand side of your screen and press the Monitor Server button. Give your server a nickname, choose the Linux option, and press on the Our Guide button. Now, copy the script by clicking the purple area and run the script in your server's terminal. Make sure you have installed the curl package. We have blurred the IP address of our server and skipped the part where we enter the details that our script gave us. Congratulations on following through with the tutorial.